Support teams choose to use ITSM tools for their support desk functions. They also need a convenient way to communicate and retrieve information from the development teams about errors that have been discovered and cannot get fixed before the next release. If the support team has communicated about these with the development team, they can then proactively publish knowledge base articles based on the known defects along with a usable workaround that have come directly from the development teams. This makes support calls more efficiently and accurately handled by your support team. This demo will show the automated knowledge base creation DevOps integration pattern between ServiceNow and Atlassian JIRA. What are the primary benefits of the automated knowledge base DevOps integration pattern? First, the organizations will have more efficient customer support because known errors and their workarounds come directly from development. In addition, there's increased collaboration between the support and the development teams, ensuring that the support professionals understand the workaround and all of the information necessary to help a customer. Finally, it allows developers to share a knowledge base of known defects that will not be able to be corrected but do in fact already have a workaround in place. Thus, the developers don't get interrupted as much during their development cycle. So what does this look like in picture form? Here you see a developer who has a defect and a known workaround because he recognizes that he's not going to be able to fix that defect before the next release cycle. Upon creation of that defect, that's synced over into ServiceNow as a known error along with the workaround that the developer suggests get used. At that point, the developer and the support individual can collaborate with comments going directly back and forth between both ServiceNow and JIRA. Once the support professional feels that he understands the workaround, he's able to publish it automatically as a knowledge base article in ServiceNow. And the workaround that came directly from development goes along as part of that knowledge base article. Now let's see this in action. My development team is using JIRA, and in the course of the development, they see that there is a defect, so they're going to go ahead and enter a defect directly into JIRA. Create a defect. And I'm going to publish it as a known error, and I'm going to make sure to put in what the actual workaround is. Now, when I go over into ServiceNow and I refresh, I will see that that known error has been populated directly into ServiceNow. And if I click on it, I can see the proposed workaround from the development team. Now, interestingly, I look at that and I realize that as the support individual, I'm not quite sure I understand what that means. So at this point, I can collaborate with my development team counterpart, asking a few questions. Come back over into JIRA. You now see the defect in JIRA, and when I click on it, click on the comment stream, I can see that my support team counterpart had a question. I can then directly answer it in JIRA. And upon doing that, when I go back into ServiceNow and refresh, then I will see that comment back from my development team counterpart. At that point, I feel confident that I understand what the workaround is. So I go ahead and put that into the known error, taking it directly from what the development team told me. I update that. And then I'm able to automatically publish that as a knowledge base article directly from within ServiceNow. So I can see that knowledge base article. And what's great is that all of the information came directly from the development team with no manual input required. So, in summary, by using Tasktop Sync, your support team will be able to more efficiently communicate directly with the developers about known defects, allowing for automated knowledge base creation, in the end allowing for much better customer service. Please visit tasktop.com for more information.